Your Tesla isn't just a car. It holds one of the biggest, safest batteries you'll ever own. With RoamEnergy, you can put that battery to work, powering your adventures and everything in between. Use your Tesla to charge your devices anywhere. Cook a meal outdoors with real appliances. No fire, no hassle, just clean power. And when someone needs help on the road, RoamEnergy can even recharge another Tesla. And when extreme weather strikes or the grid goes down, your Tesla can keep your fridge running, your lights on, and your family safe. Your car becomes your backup generator. Outdoors, RoamEnergy gives you reliable 120-volt power for tools, photography gear, or even roadside rescue, wherever life takes you. Worried about your car's battery? Don't be. RoamEnergy communicates directly with Tesla's system, protecting your battery at all times. Over 20,000 units have already been sold worldwide, with 0 cases of battery damage reported. Certified to the strictest UL safety standards, and fully compatible with Tesla Model 3, Y, S, and X. This is more than just a gadget. It's part of a bigger shift. EV batteries, powering our everyday lives. This is the future of energy independence. Join us in bringing RoamEnergy to the US. Back this project today and be among the very first to unlock the full power of your Tesla